Mom? What the fuck? Mom? 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 So hi guys, here we're now at 15 minutes time frame and we will trade using this indicator called gains algo b2 alpha, and so this one. And after that we'll wait for the signal to buy or sell. So here we go. Gains algo give us a signal and we're gonna buy and put 250 bucks and we will wait for the result.